What if instead of jumping between dashboards, tools and spreadsheets, you could simply ask your business a question and get a clear answer? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how Fullcut AI works using a live demo on the website and explain how it helps teams automate work, run operations and work smarter using AI. Today, most teams don't suffer from lack of data. They suffer from too much data in too many places. Information is scattered, workflows are manual, decisions take time. Fullcut AI is built to solve this by bringing intelligence, automation and operations into one connected system. Right here, the demo section highlights 4 ideas. Ask any question, automate works, run operations, work smarter. Let's break down exactly how this works. First, ask any question. You talk to your business in plain English. You can ask complex questions like which product have the highest refund rate or show me any customer acquisition cost by platform. The AI understands the context of your business, pulls the data instantly and visualize it. Just the answer you need right now. The next idea is automate work. A lot of operational work is repetitive. Monitoring processes, moving information, following up on tasks. Fullcut AI uses AI to automate this routine activities so team don't have to manage everything manually. Automation here is not about replacing people, it's about removing friction from daily work. Run operations. Now this is a key part. Fullcut AI is designed to act as an operational intelligence layer. Instead of working across disconnected systems, teams can view operations from one place, understand what's happening in real time, make informed decisions faster. This allows operations to manage proactively, not reactively. Work smarter. This leads to the final idea, work smarter. Working smarter means less manual checking, fewer repetitive tasks, better decision using AI support. Fullcut AI helps team focus on what actually matters, while AI handles the complexity in the background. Fullcut AI brings your entire stack together, data, insights and automation in one place, transforming how retail operates. All your data, one view. Connect Shopify ads, analytics. Fullcut AI unifies every signal into one clean, real-time view of your business. Turn data into dashboard instantly. Generate beautiful charts, tables and reports with AI. Just ask and your data comes to life in visuals you can share or act on right away. Automatic action for all your tools. Fullcut AI integrate into most popular e-commerce tools so you can make changes across a host of platforms from one place without digging through a dozen of tabs. Manage ads, run operation or anything else. Fullcut AI is especially useful for founders and decision makers, operations teams, businesses with complex workflows, teams looking to use AI in practical usable way. If your goal is efficiency, clarity and smarter operation, this platform fits well. Another important things to note is simplicity. You don't need deep technical knowledge or AI expertise. The platform is designed to fit into how teams already work, just more intelligently. So coming back to question from the beginning, what if you could ask better question, automate routine work and operations more efficiently? That's the problem Fullcut AI is trying to solve. If you are exploring AI tools that are practical, operational and designed for real teams, Fullcut AI is worth looking into it.